Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day, the weekend edition. Today it's Saturday afternoon, and I haven't made many videos this week due to the Thanksgiving holiday, but something pretty cool happened yesterday. I wanted to talk about it. I'm going to talk about how I used Altcoin Alert to help me find a successful trade in the altcoin compound with the ticker comp. And I had the foresight to make a screenshot. So let's go to the Altcoin Alert screenshot for comp. Okay, so here's what I was looking at yesterday at around 9:30, 9:45 in the morning, towards the end of my morning trip through the altcoin charts and sources I use, and of course, Altcoin Alert is among those. Comp stands out, like a sore thumb here. Very bullish, 95.9. I'm very familiar with this coin. I did a video about one of my trades with it a couple of weeks ago, so check that out here. And I traded this off and on over the summer too. It's been as high as around $210. So when I see it making a move again, I'm interested. The details here, it's around 102.26 at the time I'm looking at this. Not much in the way of specific tweet action. It's got the hype levels under hype. Social activity is perking up, though. It's got the fire sign, so that's a good sign. Trading is normal. The overall score, 95.9. I'm very interested. Let's go to the chart. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at yesterday morning, around 9:30 or so. I've got the Altcoin Alert score. Ideal, I would have caught it right around here at 9 o'clock. Because it's in a dip sequence. We've got two dips, got the MACD cross down here, and candles trending up. So this interests me. It's right at the SMA line. I prefer to buy coins either some distance below the SMA line or some distance above on a squeeze trade. But due to my familiarity with this coin, I'm going to go ahead and get in right about here at 102.65 or 102.50 actually. I buy that at 9.58. Now, regarding an exit point, as I've said many times, I like dips and I like retraces. So I'm looking for it to retrace to a prior level. I also have these indicators I can use as a guide. I'm already past the SMA line. I could go to the top of the Bollinger Band here, or the secondary Bollinger. Let's check that out. So 1.78%, not bad. Up here, 2.74, also pretty good. But I'm willing to stay in this trade for a day or so. I find that Altcoin Alert trades often take 1 to 2 days, and if I have a good trading range to apply to it, I can usually do anywhere from 3 to 6%, give or take. So I go back here. I'm looking at these resistance levels here and here. So this is the one I like the most. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles pretty much in a row showing resistance. And so that's where I decide to set my sell order at right about 107.50. So the coin goes sideways, trends up a little bit. And here we go. I get this big candle, but you know what? I'm busy. I don't see this. I'm working on a video in my passive income business, and I don't see this. Had I seen this, I would have canceled my sell order and traded this live, which means, watch it as it's happening to see if it's going to punch through my prior goal, or if it's going to drop and, keep me on the hook for another day or two. Well, since I don't see it, my 107.50 doesn't get filled. It stalls at 107.47 at 6:45 p.m. But wait, there's more. It gets worse. So it goes down, 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 down. Most of this happens while I'm asleep. So I do notice right around this area that I missed out on an opportunity here. But you can't watch the charts all the time. I probably could have set an alert that would have warned me. That's something I'll have to consider in the future. I've done that from time to time throughout my trading career, but it's usually in a situation where I think a coin is smoking hot and I want to live trade it when the opportunity arises. This could have been that, but I didn't view it that way. Sort of a moot point. But anyway, overnight the coin gets some steam, starts working its way up. I wake up early in the 6 o'clock hour. I see that it's not that far from my 107.50. So I cancel my sell order and reset it for 106.95. I do that around 6 a.m. and then it takes me out about 15 minutes later at 106.95 for a 4.236% profit. So I'm in this trade for about 20 hours, 4.236. I like that. Anything more than 1% on a day trade is usually pretty good. Of course, we rejoice in all profits. No such thing as a bad profit, but there's certain things we can do to maximize those profits and trim the time involved in a day trade. So, but overall, I view this as a successful trade. Altcoin Alert was very helpful in noticing and pointing this out. I'm not sure if I would have seen it otherwise. Also on the Altcoin Alert chat on the Slack group, I went back and forth with Altcoin Alert ambassador Alan, and I believe he was in on this too. So it's always good to have some validation for one's trades, and to have some banter on the Slack group is always fun too. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and you have a great weekend. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in my comments below, and I'll see you next time.